Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a tool review for you. We kind of splash these in every once in a while here on the channel. And today we have a Giraffe Tools pressure washer. Now this is perfect for us here at J-Speed Racing because at our shop we have all these cars and we always got to detail them. And our current little setup now that I'll put on the screen is very bare bones. It's just a hose reel and we just have to hook it up to the sink. And it's not a pressure washer, it's literally just a garden hose. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of this lovely Giraffe Tools unit. Thank you guys for sponsoring the video, Giraffe Tools. I'll leave links down in the description below of this unit and everything else that they offer. So starting off at the top, they got their nice little handbook here. We do have the wand for the pressure washer with your hose attached or your nozzle attachments here. Your bag of accessories for bolting it to the wall, little nozzles, and the foam cannon. And this here is for the foam cannon. It has a nice little bottle for that. And here's the unit itself. It's actually quite sizable. It has 100 feet of hose on there, which is fantastic. I think we currently have probably about 25 feet, so it multiplies it quite a bit. Here's the nice wand that it comes with. And there she is. So the way it works, it does have a hose that goes to your water source to plug into the side, and it also has a power outlet on the back that we'll go ahead and connect to a normal wall outlet. That way we can use the pressure washing features of the unit. So it does come with about a 6-foot hose. That way you can connect it to your water source. Without further ado, let's go ahead and yank off our old setup over here. This piece of junk flopping around hose reel. We're gonna yank this off, we're gonna clean up this area, and we're gonna figure out how to mount up the new Giraffe Tools pressure washer. Now it is time for installation. We have gone ahead and mocked up the unit on our wall. So this is a wall mounted unit, which is super nice. All you gotta do is drill 4 holes. They have provided the sheetrock anchors along with the bolts to go into those as well. So we went ahead, mocked it up. So we put the unit on top of our bracket and then kind of set it up on our wall. We're gonna have it kind of low mounted, kind of just hovering above this table. Our faucet's a mop sink. So we went ahead and marked it with some Sharpie dots here. Got our drill bit out. We're gonna go drill a pilot hole for those sheetrock anchors. That way we can go ahead and secure our bracket to the wall. And then easily enough, after those 4 are in the wall, the unit just sits on top, just clicks in. So it's super nice, super easy. Pilot hole has been drilled. Time to tap these in. Alrighty, we got our 4 anchors already in the wall. We went ahead and drilled the pilot holes, knocked them in real nice and smooth. So now we're gonna go ahead and bolt in our bracket to the wall like so. We just got her mounted up to the wall. It came out really, really nicely. Those sheetrock anchors are definitely key, so you want to make sure you install those and use a proper size drill bit because we kind of had an issue with that. However, she's looking good. She's fully wall mounted, ready to rock and roll. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in all of our little accessories, our wash thing, our little wand. So now I'm gonna go ahead and attach all of our little nozzles. If you wanna come in close, all of our little nozzles do sit in this little holster in the grip of the wand, which is super nice. So that way you can exchange them out really quick and easy. They go from really wide to really narrow. You can kind of tell by the shape of it, and also it has a degree note on each little nozzle. So that way when you're shooting out, you can pull this quick release back, clip those in, and you're good to go. Swap them out. Super quick, super easy. There is a little holster on the side of the unit. That way the wand can sit right there. It's just going next to this table. That's how we had it designed. Real nice and cleanly. Here's our power cord. We're gonna go ahead and hook this unit up and give her a test. This is great. Oy. So if you come in here, the inlet for the water is on this left side of the unit. So I went ahead and put the pre-filter on there. We're gonna go ahead and attach the hose like that. So that is gonna go ahead and feed our water into the pressure washer from our fitting here out of our mop sink. And then this is our outlet, which is the massive spool with this lovely automatic retracting. We'll show you more on that later. So we do have 100 feet of hose, which is absolutely fantastic because we do have a long area here at J-Speed. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my wand out and we're gonna attach this. So we're just gonna go ahead and snug her in there with that O-ring like that. And we're gonna go ahead and screw it in to get her all set up. So to run it with just a pressure washing without any soap, you can go ahead and attach one of your little nozzles here to the tip, and then you can go ahead and hose stuff off. However, we're gonna wash a lot of cars here at the shop, so we're gonna utilize the lovely soap foam cannon, which attaches the same way as the nozzle. You just pull the quick disconnect back, let go, and she's on there ready to foam. And you can even adjust how much foam you want on the top here with the little dial. So we're gonna go and fill it up with some soap that we have, and we're gonna hose down the Corvette. So the system does have a lovely little lock, so whenever you pull it a couple feet, it'll let go, but if you pull it a little bit further, it'll lock into place. Once you turn the orange knob on the side, the system's gonna go ahead and prime, and then it's not gonna be pressurizing until you squeeze the handle, and then you hear it turn on in the back once it starts foaming. So that's super nice about that, and it'll turn off. I don't know if you can hear that through my mic. The foam cannon is super nice, as you can see on the Corvette. Great coverage on it. I've literally only taken a few seconds here to foam down half of it, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of it. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory on it, and then we'll go ahead and rinse her off, finish it up. We got her all soaped down, and this is just as easy as taking off the soap canister, and we're gonna put one of these little tips on, probably the widest angle, the 40-degree angle. We're gonna go ahead and pull that back, tip it up, and rinse her down. So my final thoughts of the Draft Tools pressure washer. This thing absolutely rocks. It's such a compact little unit with 100 feet of cord, auto retract, all the great features. It's gonna be great for us here at JSP Racing washing all of our cars, and we can even use it to wash and pressure wash our concrete outside when that time comes. So don't forget guys, links down in the description. Make sure to go ahead and pick yours up today for your house or your garage or your shop. So thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation.